In the classic film, The Wizard of Oz, Berlar gives us the answer to that age-old question: what does make the muskrat guard his musk? Courage. Well, there's all kinds of cool things that courage does. Mainly, it allows us to keep moving forward even when there's fear. It's not the absence of fear, it's the ability to move in spite of fear. And while it'd be great if we could just tap away all fear whatsoever, such that we never felt that as a barrier, I'm not sure of anyone who's at that level yet. So, in the meantime, until we are able to clear all the fear, we would like to enhance courage so that we can keep taking action and moving forward. And let's do some tapping to do that. So, be using this process of tapping on acupuncture points to lower stress and allow ourselves to feel much better. So, tap where I tap, repeat back what I say, and please take full responsibility for your own well being if you choose to tap. I choose to feel more courage, and I choose to love and accept myself. I choose to feel more courage, and I choose to love and honor myself. I choose to feel more courage because there are times where I doubt that I have any, and I feel totally stopped, completely blocked by fear. But part of me might suspect that there's at least an ounce of courage inside of me. I choose to find it. I choose to enhance it. I choose to feel more courage. And I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And maybe anyone else who might contribute to this, because I choose to feel that free. I choose to feel more courage. I choose to feel more courage. Part of me might doubt that I have courage. But if that were true, I wouldn't be here tapping on my face right now. I would just be hiding under my bed. But I've got a life to live. And since I don't feel fearless yet, I choose to find the courage to take action. It means to take heart. And I have a strong heart that can give me faith to get through things. Some days it's easier than others. That courage is always in there. My heart is always in there beating. But sometimes I resist that courage. Sometimes I'm afraid to know that I have it. because I might have some old programming that says courage just makes you do stupid things. You should always listen to your fear. If there even seems to be any possibility of danger, run the other way. I'm open to the possibility that I can have courage and common sense. Being courageous doesn't mean being stupid. Even though sometimes it looks that way. I'm giving myself permission to find that courage, allowing myself to find the reasons for it. I can find it if I have a good reason. What is important enough for me to feel courage? How about living an awesome life? How about making a positive difference? If I gave myself permission, I could find all kinds of reasons for tapping into that courage. And I'm clearing the resistance to that. All this fear of being more courageous. I choose to love and appreciate those parts of me that sometimes try to convince me that I have no courage as a way of trying to save me. And I'm processing all of that, allowing myself to have more faith in myself, allowing some of that courage to come from a place of feeling connected, trusting that the universe has my back. Part of me might say, no, it doesn't. Have you seen my current situation? Have you seen some of the things that have happened to me in the past? Yes, but I'm still here. And that's the proof that the universe has my back. And so I'm choosing to feel more courageous, trusting that whatever happens, I can handle it because I have handled everything that has happened in the past. Maybe not always as gracefully as I would have liked, but I handled it. Clearing the limits to courage, trusting that that won't make me stupid. Doing dangerous things just for the sake of it. Putting myself in harm's way without a really good reason, that's not courage. Real courage is finding the heart to do difficult things when it's important to do so. And I'm allowing myself to feel that courage in body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. Uh, Hopefully, you're more aware of that courage that has always been there in your heart. And please and thank you for using that to make the world a better place. And if other stuff gets in the way, I'm here for you. Thanks.